We were in Pazhayangadi, Kannur, the hometown to Raghunath Pokudan, son of the mangrove man of India, Kalen Pokudan. His father had dedicated his entire life to conserving mangroves, and Raghunath was carrying that legacy forward. From there, the journey took us to Nala Handloom. Sustainability here wasn't limited to design or fabric. It lived in the livelihoods of the people who worked there.
In the backwaters of Kerala, one man planted hope, one sapling at a time. Kalan Pokudan, known as the Mangrove Man of India, devoted his life to reviving the mangroves. Over 4 decades, he planted more than 1 lakh saplings, creating living green walls that shielded villages from storms and nurtured rich biodiversity. Beyond planting, he wrote books, inspired students, and became a voice for conservation across India.
അച്ഛനൊരു രാഷ്ട്രീയക്കാരനാണ്, ഒരു പൊതുപ്രവർത്തകനാണ്. കുറേ കാലം ഒരു പൊതുപ്രവർത്തകനായി അറിയപ്പെടുന്നു. അതായത് ഈ പരിസ്ഥിതി പ്രവർത്തകനാകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു പരിസ്ഥിതി പ്രവർത്തനത്തിൻ്റെ തുടക്കം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പഴയങ്ങാടിയിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മളെ വീട് വരെ 1.5 കിലോമീറ്ററോളം വരുന്ന ഒരു നിരന്തരം കരയിടിച്ചൽ കൊണ്ട് നാശമാകുന്ന ബണ്ടിനെ സംരക്ഷിക്കാനാണ് അച്ഛനാദ്യമായി കണ്ടൽക്കാട് വെച്ച് പിടിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ മലിനമായ പുഴ, ഈ കണ്ടലുകളെല്ലാം നശിപ്പിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഈ തീരദേശത്തിലെ ആളുകളുടെ കിണറുകളിലെല്ലാം ഉപ്പുവെള്ളം വന്ന്, അപ്പോൾ ഉപ്പുവെള്ളത്തെ ശുദ്ധീകരിക്കാൻ കഴിവില്ല ഒരു സസ്യമാണ് ഈ കണ്ടൽക്കാട്.
Today, his son Raghunath Pokudan carries that legacy forward. With every new mangrove he plants, Raghu strengthens his father's vision that these forests are not just trees, but guardians of the coast, protectors of life, and a promise for the future. This is a story of a father's mission and a son's devotion, growing stronger with every tide.
So we are sitting right in the center of mangrove forest. We are sailing in a boat. It's a very small boat, and we are going. The boatman said that he will take us to 1 kilometer right ahead towards the forest.
In Malayalam में एड़तानी कंडल.
In Malayalam, it is Edthani Kandal. And scientific name is Kandal Kandal.
Scientific name is Candelia Kandal.
Okay.
With gentle hands, Raghu shows us how life begins for a mangrove. Just a single seed pressed into the mud. It looks small, almost fragile, but within it lies the power to anchor an entire coastline. As we follow him into the backwaters, the forest opens around us. Roots rise like sculptures from the water, weaving a living maze that shelters fish, crabs, and countless birds. These mangroves breathe life into the air and filter the water, storing more carbon than most forests on land. Walking here, you realize why Raghu continues his father's work. Each seed planted is not just for today, but for generations to come. Mangroves remind us that conservation is not a choice, it is survival, for both nature and for us.
And from those roots of nature, our journey moved to the threads of tradition. At Nala Handloom, the idea of conservation took new form, not in forests or rivers, but in the hands of artisans weaving sustainability into everyday life.
In the heart of this workshop, the steady rhythm of wooden looms fills the air. Generations of knowledge come alive as skilled artisans work patiently at their traditional workstations, weaving not just fabric, but culture itself.
You don't have any single automatic machine?
No, we are trying to promote the handlooms which don't have any machines.
Okay.
So everything is by manually, and all looms are like Kerala traditional Malabar looms.
Rows of finished textiles line the shelves. From finely woven cottons to naturally dyed fabrics, each piece carrying the mark of sustainability and craft.
So the entire raw material, whether it is cotton, whether it is silk, linen,
everything is available.
everything
Silk
is
we are getting from Bangalore,
okay,
and the linen we are getting from Tamil Nadu.
fantastic.
These are not just products, but stories of soil, thread, and tradition, carefully preserved in every weave. Behind each creation is a community of artisans whose lives have been transformed by Mr. Aghosh's vision.
The Nala Handloom, it's a brand name. So actually our parent company is a natural fabrics. So it started like 2005. Yeah, like social status is the main criteria. That is why there is no younger generation is coming to this weaving and all. So we are solving it out by paying more. We are giving more platform to expose their arts and things. So slowly it is time taking process, but slowly we are studying it. So some sort of improvements are there.
Here, craft is a way of life, and every loom supports a community of skilled artisans. From the careful selection of fibers to the finished fabric, sustainability is woven into every step. A model where tradition, responsibility, and opportunity come together.
As I leave Nala Handlooms, I'm carrying more than just a beauty of a fabric. I'm carrying the intentions of a tradition that chooses earth every single day.
Every turn reminds us, India's strength is in people who keep traditions alive while shaping change. In the next episode, we step into the lives of potters molding stories from clay, and the women who fight every day to keep our beaches clean. Watch their stories unfold in the next episode.